that wanker. This truck just came down the exit lane and then hopped over the divider. Does it all with a company logo all over it. I just don't understand when people have company logos all over their vehicles and then do that. No. Got a rim job, lug nut, moron 5'3". He's a, see the big P on the back of the car, as you would know, provisional license holder. You're not allowed to lane filter unless you've got a full license. God damn it. Fucking hell, mate. Look at this fucking idiot. Don't do that. Don't. No. Idiot. Absolute idiot.
Entertainment guy. And hey, look, he's become a billionaire. He's made tons of money with his philosophy. So for any of us, amateur niggers like me, to say it's not the right way to go would be erroneous.
Are you fucking kidding?
Just do the math.
That was a thrill. And then here in San Antonio, where he had...
What the fuck is going on here? Look at this shit. Moron number one. Can someone tell me why this fucking Victorian is in the goddamn overtaking lane? Not overtaking. Hey. I'd use the windscreen washers on them, but it's already raining, so there's not much point.
Our shitbag titty fucker of the week goes...
What the fuck are you doing?
I gotta barbecue your assy molasses!
There's a fucking turkey on the road. Literally. A fucking turkey. Okay. Dude, I'm here. Fucking staying here.
And they came back and said, yeah, you're still a pussy. That's all you, that's the hardest you can hit. And just kept right on walking. So,
Oh, fuck off, mate.
were tough.
Oh, really?
They dished out everything they took.
Donkey!
Look at this total wanko. He just comes in and basically just literally forces his way over. We've got Kumquat, Eugene, Queef 21, your mama. You're fucking going, you dickhead. An idiot. DVF29, total moron. Right indicator, move left. Always a good sign. Oh, Christ. Let's see what she does. Oh, hang on. We still going? Oh, no. She can't go right from this lane. Oh, Christ. She's going to do it. She did that and she's cut this guy off. Oh, you fucking idiot. We've got a double dork, knob jockey, bogan, one for pissant. They had their right indicator on in the right turn lane. They've then moved into the left lane, then blocked traffic by not when they had the green arrow to turn left. She's turned right while pedestrians were crossing, and then tried to force their way past the BMW.
Years. And yeah, he's running new promotions basically.
Let's just hit a German. Right up the ass. Got a wanker on a motorbike just there. Blocking the... Oh, listen, Red, I'll let you in, but you need an indicator. Alright, there you go. Indicator first. Oh, goodness. Then you hop in. Now give me a wave, goddammit. You bitch!
I've seen what they've done with Mike Bennett, and then a few weeks ago with Rusev and Lana. But yeah, here we are in 1996, and you're saying...
Another one. Whoa. Idiots. This fucking moron. Absolute moron. Straight through a red light, you fucking dipshit. Absolute idiot.
And, you know, where they were at, said, told you I wasn't going anywhere, and I'm not. That was it. So there was no
fucking indicator on.
You know, I know people, you know, who were writing about it or who heard about it or the speculation.
He decides to turn right at a roundabout, but he puts his indicator on when he's halfway through it. So we've got a P for pencil neck, Dictard, Xander, Testicle, 2-5 Queen. Nice ass. Nice ass. No fucking clue. No indicator, goes straight, the other ones think he's going and then they turn left. What an idiot.
I wasn't concerned at all.
You know, Eric has recently become unemployed, as all of you listening to this know.
Idiot.
And perhaps graduation season.